Hello everyone and welcome again to my channel. In today's video, I am here to show you how you can activate the two-factor authentication on your Pi wallet to add an extra layer of security and protect your Pi wallet and the Pi tokens you have in it from being stolen by anyone or any bot or any system. Good. And before we proceed, I would say if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly hit the subscription button to stay subscribed and also turn on the notification bell because I will be releasing series of videos bringing updates on the Pi network and crypto space at large, which will be very useful to any crypto enthusiast in this our crypto galaxy. Good. And I said today I am going to show you how to activate two-factor authentication on your Pi wallet, which will guard your wallet from any unauthorized access. Meaning if someone steals your passphrase, the person won't be able to log in to your Pi wallet and do anything there because the two-factor authentication will not give the person access. What it will do is it will require the person to provide an authentication code that will be sent to a 2FA email that you will use while activating the 2FA on your Pi wallet. And if the person fails to provide that code sent to that email, then the person will not be able to log in into your wallet to do anything. And that is how the two-factor authentication on your Pi wallet guarantees you great safety for your Pi assets inside your Pi wallet. So follow me step by step as I show you how this is done. The first thing you do is you locate your Pi browser. Okay, this is my Pi browser here. You click on it. And then you please allow this thing load very well. Don't rush it so that you don't have any network glitches or issues while doing it. And also make sure that this is only done inside the Pi browser on your phone that is linked to your Pi mining app. Good. Don't do it any other place so that you don't expose yourself to bad actors. Thank you. And once the Pi browser has opened like this, the next thing you do is you click on this upper button here that says home to reveal the address bar of your Pi browser. Beautiful. And once it has opened like this, the next thing you do is you click on this address bar, you click on it and you remove pinet and .com, just clean up everything there, and then you type in pinet-authentication.web.app. Beautiful. This is the URL. It is pinet-authentication.web.app. You can add HTTPS to it or you can leave it this way. Any one it is, it will go through. And for this URL, don't worry, I will be placing it on the description of this video. So when you are ready, kindly go to the description of this video. You will see this URL there. Copy it exactly the way it is, locate your Pi browser and paste it into the Pi browser address bar to proceed, and so you don't make mistakes. And also, I will also leave it on the comments so you can take it from anywhere, either from the comments or from the description of this video. Thank you. And once you've entered it like this, the next thing you do is you click on enter to proceed to the site. Just give it time, allow it load very well. Beautiful. And once the site has fully loaded like this, all you need to do is you scroll down to this button here that says activate 2FA on your Pi wallet. And when you want to do yours, you can take your time and read every other information on the site so you understand how this thing is done and how it guarantees the security of your Pi wallet. Good. So I'm just going to go straight ahead and click on activate 2FA on your Pi wallet. Good. On this page, all you need to do is you input the 24-word passphrase of that Pi wallet where you have your assets, where you want to activate the two-factor authentication on. Yes, that is the wallet. You input its passphrase inside this box to proceed with this process. It will authenticate your wallet with this process and activate this feature on it. I have my passphrase already copied on my clipboard. All I need to do is I will just click on this box here and long press on it. and click on paste to paste in your passphrase. Beautiful. And once you've pasted it like this, the next thing you do is you click on this button here that says authenticate with passphrase to proceed with the activation. Good. This is the page where you now link an email address for the two-factor authentication verification codes that will be sent to you anytime anyone tries to access your Pi wallet from any other Pi browser that is not yours. So I'll go ahead and input my email address, the one I want to link to my Pi wallet for the two-factor authentication codes. I'll go ahead and click on the box and type in my email address. Okay, yeah, there is a second box there where you would confirm email address. So you input the same email address again. This is to be sure you didn't make a mistake with your email address. So input it again. Good. And once you have entered it like this, the next thing you do is you click on this button down here that says send verification code, so that they can send the verification code to this your email and you proceed with this activation. Just click on it, send verification code. Just allow them. Do not rush the process so you don't. Very good. Now you can see the verification code sent to your email. A 6-digit verification code has been sent to your email for the activation code. Check your email for the activation code and enter it below to proceed. Good. Now all I need to do is to go to my email address and get this verification code and input it here to complete this two-factor verification activation and have it done and done with. Beautiful. I got the email. You can see it here. Pi network support 2FA verification code. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on it to open the email and get the verification code. Good. Here is the verification code. You can see your verification code. You requested to activate two-factor authentication for your Pi network wallet. Use the code below to complete the process. So I will just memorize this code and go back to the page and verify it. The code is 832640. 832640. Good. I will input it here now. 832640. Good. And once it's been entered like this, the next thing you do is you click on verify and activate 2FA. And you allow it to do the final work on this activation. Good. Now I have successfully activated the two-factor authentication on my Pi wallet. As you can see it here, this is a success message. It says 2FA successfully activated. Your Pi wallet is now protected with email-based two-factor authentication. This activation has been confirmed and logged to your browser console. From now on, you will need to verify your identity through your linked 2FA email when accessing your wallet on a different Pi browser aside this one. Good. That is what I'm telling you. Anytime anyone tries to access your Pi wallet from any place, now that is not this Pi browser you did this activation on, the person will be prompted to provide the 2FA code that will be sent to this email that I used, or that you will use rather, to activate yours. And if the person fails to provide it, the person cannot log in. So that is how this guarantees 100% security for your Pi wallet. And that brings us to the end of this video. I would say if you find this video interesting or helpful, please kindly share it to all the pioneers out there. And lots of pioneers need to be aware of this so that they can quickly activate the two-factor authentication on their Pi wallet and protect their Pi wallet and the assets they have in it from being stolen by anyone or by any bot or by any system. And that is that for today. I would say please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You help us grow, and also like this video unfailingly, and finally turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post good videos like this, you will also be notified. Thank you very much and see you on the next one. Bye bye.